So hi guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use Xbox and PlayStation controller inside our Unreal Engine. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So for this video I'm using Unreal Engine third-person template, and to be able to add controller support we need to do a few things. And first thing is we need to add controller inputs inside our IMCs. So since I'm using this third-person template, we have that added already by default by Epic Games, but I'm going to show it to you how to do it anyway. So if you come down to this content folder, here you can see the input. Inside we've got this IMC's default or any IMC that you have in your game. So just open this one, and over here we've got these few input actions, and the first one is IA jump. So if you want to add your controller input over here, just click on this plus button, and then you see this none over here. Just search for any gamepad button that you want to use. So I want to use gamepad face button bottom. Just add it, that's it. And inside the trigger or modifiers, just use whatever you have used on your keyboard inputs. Since I don't have anything over here, so I won't use anything over here. Since this Epic Games does have controller inputs by default, so I'm going to delete mine. I'm just showing it to you how to do it. And then for IA move, just click add, and then over here just by default it should be gamepad left thumbstick 2D axis, and then onto the modifier we need to add scalar and dead zones. So let's do that as well. Just click on modifiers and just add it. First thing is dead zone, and the other one is scalar. Also, since I have this already, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just showing it to you guys. And for the IA look, it's going to be gamepad right thumbstick 2D axis. Just add this. So now you have added your controller inputs inside Unreal Engine. Now how to use it. So first let's talk about Xbox controllers. For the Xbox, you don't really need to do anything. Windows natively supports Xbox controller as X input device. So whenever you connect your Xbox controller, Unreal will detect it pretty easily. But you have to make sure that you connect your controller before starting Unreal Engine. But for PlayStation controller, it's a bit different. So I'm going to show it to you how to connect PlayStation controller right now. The first thing that we need to do is we need to connect our PlayStation controller. I'm going to do it using Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn on my controller as well. And then over here, once it detects my DualSense wireless controller, it's been connected already. But if this doesn't show over here, you need to go to more Bluetooth setting and click on this add device Bluetooth, and then your controller will get detected over here if it is your first time. Since this is done, since it's been connected, now let's see if our controller works. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying hard but it's not working at all. The reason that it doesn't work using PlayStation controller is whenever we connect PlayStation controller, Windows detect it as a generic HID human interface device, and Unreal doesn't know what to do with that one. So we have to convert that HID into X inputs, and how to do that I'm going to show it to you. The first thing, we need to install few stuff. For that one, come to your any browser that you're using right now and search for DS4Windows, and click on this first link that says DS4Windows tool to use PS4 PS5 controller on Windows PC. So once you're inside, just click on this download button over here. So once you're over here, it gives us two options to download. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose this official DS4Windows. So just click on download. And now over here, if you can see over here, it says on the requirements, we need to install this ViGEmBus driver. So this is one extra driver that we need to install. So just click on that. I'm going to use middle mouse click to open on the new tab and just click on download. So just going to click on download again over here. So once you download it, just double click to install this one. And agree. So that's it. Now it's been installed on our PC. So the next thing that we need to download is this DS4 itself. So just click on download over here. Once it's downloaded, since it's a zip file, we need to go to the download folder, and I'm going to right click and extract it. That's it. And when you open the folder, you can see this DS4Windows.exe. Just install this one. You must install or update .NET to run this application. Just click on download it now. So it will get downloaded on its own. So once it's downloaded, just install this one as well. So now, since this has been installed, just come to that folder again and run this DS4Windows.exe once again. And then it asking you, where do you want to save your profile? And for this one, either you can select program folder or app data. I'm going to choose app data. And then it gives us this tab called first launch. So by default, DS4 it's supported, which means DualSense 4 or PS4 controller. And we need to select this DualSense 5 for PS5 controller and just click on close. And once that's done, it says no controller connected. So we do need to connect our controller again. So while I was making the video, I did disconnected my controller. So now once it's connected, it says it detects my controller over here. And once that's done, just come to your Unreal Engine and play your game. So now I'm going to use my controller and see if this is working. As you can see, it's working. I'm using the PS5 controller, and I can walk, I can look around, I can jump, and everything is working properly. So this is it for this video, and I hope this video has helped you. And if it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.